Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open an interactive broker's account in Dubai. First, you will need to gather several essential documents. This includes your valid passport, Emirates ID, and proof of residency, like a recent utility bill. You will also need your tax identification number. Having these ready will streamline the initial application process significantly, saving you valuable time and effort. It's a straightforward process once you have everything prepared. Next, navigate to the Interactive Broker's website and begin the online application. You will select your desired account type, whether it's an individual, joint, or other suitable option. Carefully fill out the comprehensive online form, ensuring all personal and financial details are accurate. This includes providing information about your employment, income, and overall net worth. The system guides you through each step, making it quite user-friendly. Once your application is submitted, the next step involves funding and verification. You can fund your account via a bank transfer, either from a local bank in Dubai or an international one. Remember, there's often a minimum deposit requirement, typically around $100. You will also need to complete the identity verification by uploading clear copies of your documents. This process usually takes a few business days for full account activation. With your account active, you can now explore the extensive features Interactive Brokers offers. You'll have access to a vast array of investment products, from global stocks and bonds to options and futures. Take advantage of their powerful trading platforms and comprehensive research tools to make informed decisions. Familiarize yourself with the competitive fee structure and remember that customer support is available to assist you with any queries. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.